Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about do while activity and flow decision activity here, and also see one use case, that is how to check it is a leap year or not. So, and also see this use case we can create by two way, by using sequence or by using flowchart. So let's go to the UI part and see the use case and understand these activities. So you can see the Uipath studio here, and I have already created a one program for time saving. So firstly I run this program, and then I will show the output, and then I describe this program. So I run this program. You can see here, please enter year. So I'm enter here year 2015. So message, this is not a leap year. So I'm again providing the year 2015. This is not year. This is not a leap year. So it will again asking all the times, whenever it's you provide the leap year, then the flow is complete. So here I'm providing 2012. So this is leap year. I'm clicking OK, and the process is completed. So you see the output. So I'm explaining here the workflow. So I in the starting I tell you, we are see this use case using two methods, like one is using sequence and another is using flowchart. So I have created this program using sequence. So I explain this workflow, and again I create one program using flowchart. So here in this program you can see I have taken a dual activity here. In between, in the body section, I have taken a one input dialog box, that is for taking input from user. So you can see I'm providing the label here, title here, and variable is year. So this variable, year variable, I have created, that is a integer type. So you always notice this variable type, which is the type of the variable. So after that, I have taken a one activity, that is a if activity. In if activity, I have checking the condition. If year mode 4 equal to 0, then go to the true case, and if condition is false, then go to the false case. So in true case, I am printing the message, this is a leap year, and the false case, I'm printing the message, this is not a leap year. So if year mode 4 equal to 0, it means this is a leap year. So this if condition, put it in the while loop. So where is the while loop condition? So in below you can see, here I'm providing the while loop condition. So year mode for not equal to 0. If not equal to 0, then the program is completed. So like if you are providing the true case here, then your program is completed. If you are providing the false case, so it repeating again. Whenever you provide the true case, then your bot is going outside from the loop. So I hope you understand uh, this activity. I always already saw the output, how it works. So next we are going to understand uh, this use case by using the flowchart. So create a one another program, control N here, not a sequence. So cancel and go here, click the take the flowchart. Flowchart name is do loop here, loop. Okay. So in this loop, this is a flowchart. So you need to first take one activity, that is a input dialog box. In this, provide here info, title, label, please enter please enter here in YYY format. Okay, and here I am created a variable, creating a variable, control K, Y, A, R, here. So go to the loop, and here you need to take one activity, that is a flow decision. I'm using this activity. In this activity, you need to provide the conditions that you provided in the do while loop. So here, year, mode, 4, 4 equal to 0. So here you need to change the variable type, that is 32. Okay, and after that you need to take the message box activity here, one another activity here, for the true case and for the false case. This is false case, and you can connect to true nodes. So in this message box I'm printing, this is this is a leap year, this is a leap year, and in this message box I'm printing, this is not a leap year. Okay, so here only I have created the putting the condition only. So this is not a loop, only one time check. If you are providing the any input, like I'm providing a 2012, so only check once time and provide your the output. Like suppose that I'm providing the one 2012, so only printing the this is a leap year only, not running in the loop. So we are today learning the loop. So what I can what can I did here for loop. So you need to connect the nodes from above, like this. So if you see here, so firstly run this program, you providing the input, check the condition. If true, then it's completed. If not true, then go to the again in the input dialog box, and you need to provide again the input, and again this loop is continuous. If your condition is true, then its loop is completed. If your not condition is not true, then it will run again and again. So this is a loop. So I run this activity, I'll show you the result. So here I'm providing 2023. This is not a leap year. When I'm providing 2024, this is a leap year. So I hope you understand in the both uh, scenario, using the sequence or using the flowchart. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.